The Corsair Vengeance i8200 gaming is about to change the game for you. Are you tired of lagging behind in your favorite games or struggling to get your creative projects done on time? With this powerhouse PC, you'll be able to take on even the most demanding tasks with ease. The Corsair Vengeance i8200 gaming packs a 14th Gen Intel Core CPU that's specifically designed for gamers and creators, cooled by a liquid CPU cooler that keeps it running smoothly. But what really sets this system apart is its graphics card. The GeForce RTX 50 series graphics card, powered by NVIDIA Blackwell, brings game-changing AI capabilities to your games and projects. With NVIDIA DLSS 4, you'll be able to generate images at unprecedented speed, making everything from video editing to 3D modeling a breeze. And with NVIDIA Studio, you'll have access to a whole range of tools and software that will help you unleash your full creative potential. Now, let's talk about the RAM. The Corsair Dominator Titanium RGB DDR5 memory is not just any ordinary memory. It boasts 11 individually addressable LEDs that can illuminate your PC with spectacular customizable lighting. Imagine having a system that shines like a superstar on stage, perfectly in sync with your games and projects. But what really takes this system to the next level is its lighting. Brilliant system-wide RGB lighting lets you create synchronized light shows with pre-installed signature lighting profiles, your own custom-created profiles, or integrated lighting that dynamically reacts to the game in real time when playing select titles. Imagine being able to make your entire setup shine like a beacon, drawing attention from all directions. And finally, let's talk about the software that makes it all work together seamlessly. The Corsair ICUE software is incredibly powerful, allowing you to monitor your system's performance and instantly sync RGB lighting across all your ICUE-compatible Corsair RGB products, including fans, DRAM, and more. Whether you're tweaking settings or customizing looks, the Corsair ICUE software has got you covered. So what does it all mean for you? With the Corsair Vengeance i8200 gaming, you'll be able to play games at incredible speeds, create stunning visuals with ease, and show off your system in style. You'll be able to take on even the most demanding tasks with confidence, knowing that your PC has got everything it needs to perform. Ready to unleash your full gaming and creative potential? Click the link below to get the best price for this powerhouse PC.